Hello again everyone. Have a great day. And this is Anne's cooking. And to this video, let's cook this yummy oyster with mixed vegetables. So, intro muna tayo. So, here is my ingredients. Sweet green peas, oyster, dry oyster which is I already soaked with water earlier, and mushroom, black ear mushrooms, and so it's already on. Let's cook. So in a pan I fry garlic and onion, and then I put in the oyster that I have. So I put a little bit water and let it cook for a while. So I added my black ear mushroom. I add a little bit of water. Now it's not water actually, it's pork soup. Then I add black pepper and white pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and mix. Now I add my sweet green peas. Cover and let the peas cook. Add white mushroom. Just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and it's ready to eat. So here, almost done. I add cornstarch so that our sauce is become sticky. So here it is. My recipe is done. Oyster with ear mushrooms and green peas. So yummy. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell button so that you have notification in all my new uploaded video. Thanks for watching.